Hello everybody, this is Tracy, Passionately Intrigued Arts. I had extra resin left over, so I placed it in this mold with a bunch of seashells, glitter shells that I had previously made, a sand dollar, and a starfish that I dipped in enamel. I added sand, rocks, and other shells that I had accumulated. I used alcohol ink to make this aqua color blue with white, and now I'm swirling it to make some type of pattern to make this beautiful. This is just the first step. I'll put more epoxy on it later. It seems to be a little crowded. The only other thing that I might place in here are some lights. I do have some seahorse lights that I might place around the edges. That would be interesting and beautiful. We shall see. One day at a time, one step at a time. Create, create, create. See what you can make.
Abracadabra, oof, the son of fabulous. Make no mistake, craft arts and cakes. She creates and breaks and shifts from the brain next stay. Let us spark, contact her today. Passionately intrigued, our love is on this way. So, hey, I know what it is. Passionately intrigued, that's right. Just a sweet touch, it's stellar fabulous. Hey, let's go. Yeah. All right, then. Let's go. Hey, come on. Yeah. Y'all ready? Yeah. Hey. She go. Yeah. Sweet. Uh-huh. No, I ain't ready for this. Touch it.